investment based on their own investment objectives, and the extent of risk and tolerances all belong to them. So INCHAM or its BOG expressively disclaim any liability to any person who make investment based on this webinar. So with this, I hand over the session to Rohan, who is the Senior Manager for International Business APAC countries for Godrej Properties, to take you through what all is happening in India in terms of properties and what Godrej can offer you to make use of it. So thank you so much. Over to you, Rohan.
Hi, thank you, Manoj. Thanks for the introduction. So good morning, everyone. My name is Rohan Vaswani, and I'm based in Singapore with Godrej Properties. I handle the Asia Pacific market for Godrej Properties. So thank you, all of you, for joining us today, and special thanks to Manoj and the INCHAM team, for organizing this and giving us this platform to connect with all of you. So before I move into the presentation and discuss about the real estate market along with the opportunity that you have with investing with Godrej, just let me first tell you what this gist of the presentation would be. Just a moment. Yeah. So we will first, I'm sure all of you would have a lot of questions, considering the last 2 years, all of us have been, stuck up at home mainly and not had any access to travel to India or anywhere else. And considering that, a lot of you would have also noticed that property investment has, particularly in India, has been at an all-time high. So all of you may have a lot of questions on that, and I'll give you the reasons why that's actually happening. And then we'll obviously move on to the projects we have. So I don't need to introduce the brand of Godrej. I'm sure everyone would already be aware of that. It's a 124-year-old plus company, and we have interests in various businesses. So we started back in 1897. We started with locks, and then now today, in 2020-21, we recently started our housing finance company as well. So we are into most of the industries that you can probably think of. We started real estate in 1990. And today, Godrej Properties is the #1 listed developer in India. So we have a presence across India in most of the metro cities. We have a presence, and because of our brand and because of our the name Godrej is obviously synonymous with trust as well. So you would all know that today, sitting at your homes, you can actually trust that when Godrej is coming up with something, that it is something obviously which is authentic, and we'll keep our word. That's why we are #1 since the last many years. So brand as such we don't need to introduce, but this has been our journey over the last 124 years, and we continue to hold the leadership position across industries. Now, last year, this has been our highest number in terms of our sales. So 6,725 crores, almost $1 billion of sales, just in 1 year, with almost 9,500 to 9,700 homes being sold in that year. The highest ever in a year when we had a pandemic, So I'm sure most of you would probably be very surprised. Even I myself was. So the simple reasoning is, 3 simple reasons as to what has happened in the real estate market. That's the reason I wanted to have this presentation to, enlighten everyone on what's actually happened in the last 3 years. So one most important factor that has led to this has been the interest rate reduction. So across the globe, you will see that bank interest rates, lending rates have gone down. So earlier it was somewhere about 13%, 14% per annum. That means the cost of buying a home would obviously shoot up. Now it's come down by half. Now it's just 6.5%, 6.6%. Whenever there is a reduction in the interest rate, it is always inversely proportional to the demand. The interest rate goes down, your demand shoots up. That's across the standard practice across the globe. So that led to obviously housing becoming cheaper for people who wanted to take loans. 70 to 80% people end up taking up loans for buying their homes. So housing became cheaper because of that. That led to an increase in demand. Second most important point, which led to this number of 7,725, highest ever, and obviously being the best year for real estate in India. The second most important point was the consolidation. So that started in 2015-16 when RERA came in. Obviously the small time players went out, so supply reduced. Supply reducing obviously is an opportunity for the buyer, because that means that only the good players are in the market and you can see a price increase in your property purchase. So supply reduced, small time players went out, the NBFCs, non-banking financial corporations, they were more stringent in lending funds to small time players, which meant small time players could not have the funds to do their construction, because obviously they were not getting funds as easily as they were getting few years back. So again, they were wiped out of the business. So now you will see that the real estate market in India is being led by the few good players. So right, for example, if there were 100 developers, now you only have probably around 55 to 60 developers in the market. So the supply has reduced. And obviously demand is only increasing because affordability is increasing. Yeah, as I said, interest rates are coming down, salaries are increasing at a rate of 6 to 8% at least per annum across. So the affordability has increased, and that's also led to one of these the best ever year for real estate. So that second one, most importantly, is the consolidation. And obviously, lastly, as all of you have probably been working from home, so everyone has realized the importance of owning a home. This point most of you would be aware of. So since we're spending most of our times at home, we actually feel the need to have a home with good amenities, a home with a larger space, or maybe a study room, or a own home. So people who rented out properties earlier, many of them who took properties on rent all this while in India and who are living on rent, realize that because of the pandemic, we now need to have our own home, because now we have to actually, that's the place we're spending most time in. So now this surge not only happened, this surge in demand not only happened in India, it happened across the globe, UK, USA, China, all across. So we'll see Singapore as well, and I'm sure in Vietnam also. So all across the properties, the demand for projects kept increasing for properties. So these 3 points, the reduction in interest rate, the consolidation, the demand for housing, specifically by the millennials, the younger people below, say, in the age group of below 35, 36, in that range, they all felt that they need a home with a gated community, with all the amenities. So that means that because of these reasons, even investors have made money. So because at the end, when demand for homes increases, investors also make money. So investors have also come back now, which were the investors were pretty much the sentiment was pretty much stagnant for some time. Now they all seen the opportunity and they're all coming in back in. So this led to our highest ever business for our company, and also a lot of other real estate players, which in turn means that the real estate market is now back with the bang, probably what it's not ever been in India. And this is only the start, so it's going to continue from here on. So from now on, what we will do is from the next slide onwards, since I'm sure many of you would have got some idea of the overall market, we will speak on our portfolio and the opportunity that lies for you as an investor or as an end user. So Godrej, as you know, as I mentioned, been a market leader. We've been a market leader across industries, specifically in real estate, with our presence in Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, NCR, and Pune. These are 4 key markets. We also have other cities, Ahmedabad and Chennai as well. But these are our 4 key markets. And again, investors who bought with us always make money throughout, irrespective of market conditions, because simply of the kind of uniqueness in the product and the location. We do a lot of market research before entering the particular micro market. So before we get into a location, before we acquire land, we understand the reasoning as to why it would give an investor return, what are the infrastructure developments coming up there. Only then we lend our name to that particular plot of land. And again, the quality, the design, the design, the amenities, all class apart, which obviously create the uniqueness, which in turn mean such products are always limited in supply. We won several awards. Again, something which I'm not sure, I don't think I need to talk about. We won awards, several awards today, and it's solely because of what we've delivered in the past. So that's a glimpse of our projects across India. So anyone who's looking for any of the major cities, we have something for everyone. So you don't. If someone is looking for Kolkata, if someone is looking for any of the cities, NCR, Pune, we have something for everyone over there. And best part is, being an NRI, you don't need to go through any hassle. Everything is done sitting at your home over here. We have our international offices across the globe. So everything is done sitting at your home, at the comfort of your home. Whatever we will show you is what we will deliver. There are no fake promises or anything that we show you here and what we will not deliver. You can blindly trust our brand. Now we will first, I'll just zoom in a bit. So we'll give you an idea of the 4 key markets: Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, and Delhi NCR. That's where the opportunity lies for all of you to either look at it for your self use or to even look at it for investment to make good returns. So in the Mumbai market, this map over here is shows us all the projects we have in the Mumbai region, which are spread across the city. The latest, as you see here, right from South Mumbai, we have projects. We've delivered projects in South Mumbai. Planet Godrej, one of the landmark projects there, which saw massive returns, which has given massive returns, in fact, and now it's delivered about 10 years back. Godrej Central in Chembur, Godrej Serenity in Chembur. These are again delivered projects. Landmark project Godrej RKS at RK Studios in Chembur. This is one of our recent launches, which is where the RK Studios was. We've demolished that. We've launched a residential project there. Vikhroli, we've delivered few projects. We don't have any inventory there. Panvel, where you have a lot of opportunity coming in now. Panvel, where the new international airport is coming in. You have a Nhava Sheva Sivri link road. This road which is coming in, which is acting as a sea link. This means that it will connect you from a place like South Mumbai Sivri, to a place like Panvel over here in just about 30 minutes time. So it's somewhat like the Bandra Worli Sea Link, which all of you would probably know in Mumbai. So this is a big infrastructure development. These infrastructure developments result in an increase in demand for housing. So today, if you would see, just to give you an idea, in this locality of South Mumbai, the rate is somewhere around 50,000 to 70,000 per square feet on the carpet area. In Panvel, it is just about under 14 to 15,000 per square feet on the carpet area. So Panvel has a huge opportunity because of this Nhava Sheva Sivri link road coming in. That will mean that the travel time to a place like South Mumbai would just be around 30 minutes, which is as compared to today 1.5 hours. So we've seen what these infrastructure developments have done in the past. In Bandra, Worli, prices have shot up. The Eastern Freeway also in Mumbai. So this is one of the very good projects we can recommend if any of you are looking for an investment in Panvel. It's starting at roughly around 79 lakh rupees plus for a 2 BHK. It's a township project. And then we also have one of the other launches, which we'll speak to you more about, one of the most exciting opportunities, which is Godrej Exquisite. That is in Thane. That is more towards the northern part of Mumbai, as you see in the map. So this is the southern part, this is the eastern part, and then here you have the central part of Mumbai, and then you have the northern part here, which is Thane. So Godrej Exquisite is a great opportunity which we have in Thane in the northern part. Again, affordable, fantastic location right in the center of Thane, well connected. The metro line is just 180 meters from the project, and obviously it's in a pre-launch. A pre-launch is the best time for you to buy a property because you'll get to choose your inventory and you'll get a better pricing as well. So 2 key properties which we can recommend to you in Mumbai to look at. One would be the Panvel opportunity that you have, which is because of the Nhava Sheva Sivri link road. It's a 106-acre township, golf township project, starting at just 79 lakh rupees. And the main opportunity there is the location and the price point as well. Second is in North Mumbai, you have Godrej Exquisite. That is this particular project here in the northern part of Mumbai in Thane. We all know how Thane has emerged over the last many years. The infrastructure is very good. Connectivity to the main hubs like BKC, Bandra, Kurla complex is fantastic. So it's very well connected to the main workplaces. And starting price here is about 1.44 CR as compared to if you compare it to the main city center of Mumbai, Chembur, South Mumbai, you will see a 2 BHK in these locations is nothing less than 3.5 to 4 CR minimum. So you again have an opportunity here just to compare the prices. You have something here starting at just 1.44. So when you're buying something in real estate at a price point which is typically quite competitive in that city, like we 1.44 vis-a-vis 1 point vis-a-vis 4 CR, you will see that that's the opportunity. But if you're buying something at 4 to 5 CR already, which is an inflated cost, definitely returns would not be that easy to see there. So Thane and Panvel is what we can recommend to you to look at in our Mumbai metropolitan region. We'll spend 2 minutes more on Thane because it is our pre-launch. It is literally our new launch that's coming up as we speak, and we have some great offers and pricing there in this particular project. This is in the heart of Thane, central Thane. Basically 3.5 acres of land. There's no or hardly any supply here of land. It's a freehold land parcel. It's a very well established location. You have fantastic social infrastructure around, huge influx of population in this location over the last many years because obviously of the infrastructure improving, demand increasing for housing over here in this particular location, and demand has increased because connectivity has improved. So someone who's today living in Thane typically works in a place like Bandra Kurla complex, or he can even work in a place like South Mumbai. Connectivity is fantastic. Metro line is coming up just 180 meters from our project, and this particular project has another unique feature apart from the location. All the towers that you see on your screen are all independent and they're not looking into each other. They have all independent walls, no common sharing walls. It's a fantastic property for you to even live in. 3.6 acres, 39 stories in height, and we have all the configurations that you can probably look for. We have a 2 BHK premium, the smaller 2 BHK starting at typically around 1.24 CR. We have the larger 2 BHK, which is 725 square feet carpet area starting at 1.44 CR plus the GST and the stamp duty. And then we have the 3 BHK starting at 1.84 CR plus the other charges. And on these, we have additional pre-launch pre-launch discounts as well. Possession for this would be December 2025. That is the timeline that we are looking at to hand over the project. It's a new project. And as I said, the new projects, the pre-launch projects are, the opportunity is the opportunity that all of you have, because with pre-launch, you can actually get to see competitive pricing, good inventory selection. You get to select inventory of the unit of your choice, which is very important for you to live in, or if you want to sell it later on. So Thane, Panvel, these are the two key micro markets for us in Mumbai that I would recommend to you if you're looking for an investment or a self-use. Second being Pune. So Pune, I'll just zoom in here. Pune is a market over the last many years that has continued to do well. In fact, the absorption rate or the demand has only increased in Pune simply because of the livability of the city. Today, you will see that Pune, it's a fantastic place to live in. Safety, security, the weather, everything is good. Connectivity to Mumbai. They have a lot of good educational institutions there. Demand has shot up there. A lot of IT companies moving in from parts of the world are setting up their back-end offices there. So Pune, roughly on this map, I'll tell you. So the region to look at in Pune is the northwestern part. That is where my cursor is here, which is closer to Mumbai. So here you have locations like Hinjewadi. Many of you would have heard of. Around Hinjewadi, that region is where you see maximum demand because of the IT. Hinjewadi projects are sold and delivered. There's no inventory there. But there are two key projects I can recommend to you here. One is Godrej Nurture, which is in Mamurdi on the Mumbai-Pune Expressway. It's very close to Hinjewadi. So just about 20 minutes time, you'll reach Hinjewadi. Main advantage here is that the property is right on the main road. It's right on the main road, so you're very well connected. You're not inside anywhere. At the same time, the other opportunity is that this comes within the Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, PCMC limits. So your water, everything is taken care of. It's in municipal limits. It's not in the Gram Panchayat limits. So, and again, we are coming up with a very nice international school in the project. So it's a very well established society. Around the project, you'll see everything is there: hospitals, workplaces. Nothing more you can ask for. And at the same time, to top it up, we have a 2080 scheme. You only pay 20% now, you pay 80 at the time of possession, starting as low as 58 lakh rupees. The 2 BHK 58 lakh rupees all inclusive is roughly around 711 square feet. 700 square feet roughly is the carpet area. Then we have a bigger apartment as well in Godrej Nurture, this particular project. Bigger apartment would be 800 plus square feet, roughly 2 BHK large, which we have in this particular project, which is around 72 lakh rupees, all inclusive roughly. And the 3 BHK is 1100 carpet. 1100 carpet of just 95 lakhs, all inclusive. You only need to pay 20% now. This scheme is only for NRIs. So only for all of you, which is only limited until the 21st of this month. So you just pay 20% now. Rest you pay after 2 years once you get the possession of the property. Possession would be end of 2023. So you just pay 20%, relax for 2 years, and then when you get the possession, you pay the rest. The opportunity you have in this location is massive because of the connectivity to Hinjewadi as a location. Wakad is very close by. In and around this, as I said, the location is within the Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, and there are a lot of big malls coming in here. You have Phoenix Mall coming into this location. So all these big brands coming in boost the demand for housing here in this location, and that's why you'll see in the last 7 to 8 years, prices have just kept shooting up in this particular location. And most importantly, the proximity to the Panvel Airport from here is just 1 hour 10 minutes drive. So with the Panvel International Airport coming up in the outskirts of Mumbai, that's also very well connected to this location. So you enjoy the best of both the worlds here. So if you're looking for an investment, you're looking to live in the future, a fantastic opportunity again, because you're in the city at the same time. You're not in the you're away from the hustle and bustle, being in this location. Another major opportunity we have is our latest launch called Godrej Hill Retreat, which is in a location called Mahalunge, which we will speak about in the next slide. I'll just give you an overview. This is again, as you see, very well connected to Hinjewadi. So Hinjewadi is just about 3.5 kilometers from here. It's a township project, 70-acre township. So everything you have is taken care of in the township. Prime locations like Baner is 3.5 kilometers. Wakad is about 6.5 kilometers from here. So prime locations like these, Baner, Wakad, are very close by. And being a township in this location, usually you will see townships are only towards the outskirts. Here you have a township, within all the infrastructure that you already have there. So it's a place you can immediately go and live in. You can rent it out, you can sell it out, whatever you wish to do, because it's a very well-established place. And any location which has good social infrastructure continues to see strong demand. That's not only in India, anywhere across the globe. So two key markets in the northwestern part of Pune, Mamurdi, which is Godrej Nurture, starting at just 58 lakhs all in, 2080 payment plan, possession in end of 2023. Mahalunge, the latest township, we have 70 acres, very well connected to Hinjewadi, Baner, Wakad, northwestern part of Pune. We're starting here with a 2 BHK apartment. It's a bigger unit here. It's around 740 square feet. Starts at 68 to 69 lakh rupees, all inclusive. Possession would be 3.5 years from now. So we are looking at end of 24, early 2025 as a possession timeline. It's a new project. The price difference you'll notice in Mamurdi and Mahalunge is a little different. The Mahalunge is a little more expensive than Mamurdi because obviously it is closer to all the prime locations. Mamurdi is a few kilometers away. Both come in the same northwestern region itself. But most importantly, for someone who says I want to look at living in a place which has everything already, then definitely I would recommend you to go for Mahalunge. It's a fantastic location. Your per square feet price is a little bit more than this location, but it has all the infrastructure, great township. If you're looking just for an investment, 3-4 years is your timeline, you want to make some money, then definitely go for Godrej Nurture. Or if you want to shift in after 5, 7, 8 years time, go for Mamurdi, because there's a lot of development happening there. You'll see good appreciation, good malls coming in there, good infrastructure development, airport coming up in Panvel, and you have a 2080 payment plan to top it up. So you only need to pay 20% now for that. And then lastly, I can recommend you something in the eastern part, which is another hub of Pune, where you have a place called Kharadi. Typically Kharadi, Manjri side, you might all be aware, is to the east, as you see on the map here. This is the east. Yeah, that the other region we were talking about was the western part. In the eastern part here, you have a location. Typically you have Kharadi, which is a large IT park over here. Eon IT Park. So we are about 4.5 kilometers from this project, from Eon IT Park. We have a new project called Godrej Park Ridge. We have an exciting opportunity here. You just you can invest as low as 25-26 lakh rupees for a studio apartment, and it sells very well because of the strong IT demand. A lot of youngsters particularly prefer studio apartments here. So we have studios starting at 25 lakh rupees. 2 BHKs studios are typically 270 260 square feet. 2 BHK apartments 600 to 700 square feet, starting at around roughly around 50 to 55 lakh rupees all inclusive. And we have 3 BHKs also, roughly 870 to 900 square feet, around 80 lakhs, roughly all inclusive. So again, this is a location if you're looking for an investment, proximity to all the office spaces, Kharadi, the airport, Vyamban Nagar. This is to the eastern part of Pune. So there are two key regions in Pune. One is this northwestern part where you have Hinjewadi, Wakad, Baner, which we spoke about. And then you have this eastern part here, which is towards Kharadi. You have all your other back end people of the banks typically also work over here. So a lot of top banks have set up their offices. So that's another key location you can look for, Kharadi, Manjri, that particular site. The rest of these projects are already more or less sold out, Keshav Nagar and delivered projects. So as you would have noticed, opportunity is again big in Pune. We have something to the west and to the east. Both are great because both offer connectivity to the IT hubs, good social infrastructure around. You don't need to think twice because it's Godrej, and you have a fantastic payment plan also. 2080 in one of them, which is the Mamurdi project, which is only limited to NRIs. So that's something you can take note of. Again, it's a limited time offer. It's only till the 21st, and particularly will be limited only for NRI customers, not for the domestic market. That's the opportunity you have. We'll then briefly now, before we move to the other city, talk about the Mahalunge project, because it's our again pre-launch. So we are highlighting all the pre-launch projects or the new launch projects. This is in Mahalunge. We already spoke about it. It's a 70-acre township. Fantastic project. There's a school just very close by, Global Indian International School. Hinjewadi is 3.5 kilometers. Baner is just about 4 kilometers. Wakad is 6 kilometers from here. So these kind of developments, prime locations, in close to a township, you'll really see. So as I said, we acquired this land earlier, hence we had this opportunity to open this up now. And when we launched the earlier phases in the same township, we sold it in literally 24 to 48 hours. That's the kind of demand. So as I said, we do a lot of thorough research before launching projects in the location to understand what customers want there at the price point that they need, that they want as well. And hence we're always able to sell out completely. So here you have an opportunity. It's a new phase. 68.90 lakhs all inclusive, 730 square feet is the size for a 2 BHK apartment. Great opportunity for any of you looking just for an investment, a low ticket size, don't want to invest too much and looking into a great city. You cannot get better than Pune. Bangalore is another key market for us and for all the investors. So we have one of our latest projects here. As you would see in the project, we are market leaders again in Bangalore. We have projects across, right from North Bangalore, from the airport, where you have the airport here, you have Devanahalli, Yelahanka, Hebal. Most of these projects are in fact already delivered. People are staying there in these projects, and wherever we go, any location, we create a landmark there. So the location is known by our projects. That again is a good, very good thing for you as an investor or as an end user. Whitefield, we've delivered projects. We've already launched and delivered both these projects. If in Sarjapur Road, we have few projects. We have a plotted development which we recently launched, Electronic City. So any of you looking at purely an investment or even an end use, I'll recommend you 3 projects here in this city. One is Sarjapur Road extension. These are plots. You have a great opportunity to look for plots. So plots typically landed project in a place like Sarjapur Road. It's Sarjapur Road extension, few kilometers, about 6 to 7 kilometers from Sarjapur Road. Typically, as you see here, in between Whitefield is here, about 15 kilometers from Whitefield. very close to Sarjapur area, the main Sarjapur road. So getting a plotted development today is probably, you know, what everyone wants, but you don't have that land space. Again, here we acquired it some time back, and this is a gated plotted community. You have all the amenities inside. You have a massive clubhouse here. It's a 101-acre land parcel. You have a clubhouse, you have a gymnasium, everything that you can talk about, and you get the benefit of doing construction as the way you like. So within these 101 acres of land that we have here at Godrej Woodland, you will have four kinds of plotted units: 30-40, which is a 1200 square feet; 30-50, which is 1500; 30-60, which is 1800 square feet. So these are, and 30-30, by the way, which is also a 900 square feet, the smallest plot. So you have four kinds of plots to select. You're looking for an investment, looking to move in later on. You buy land is the, you know, one of the asset classes you can see the maximum and the best returns. So Godrej Woodland is something what we can recommend to you, starting at close to about 44.99 lakh rupees for a plotted project over here. The other opportunity that you have is towards the northern part of Bangalore, which is in Devanahalli, which is near the international airport, a new launch of ours. And you have another project called Godrej Ananda. So in the northern part of Bangalore is where you have a lot of development also happening. These are apartment complexes, not plots. So Godrej Ananda starts at 25 to 26 lakh rupees for a studio apartment. Again, it's located at Aerospace Park, so you have a lot of IT companies around. Boeing has set up a huge space here to manufacture aeroplane parts. Shell Technologies has set up an office over here. Godrej Royal Woods, again in Devanahalli, which is just 4.5 to 5 kilometers from the airport. Again, a place where you have a lot of IT development moving in. North Bangalore is the place where many of you will know that a lot of development is shifting from this part of the city to the northern part of Bangalore, particularly because that's where land banks are available, and that's why developers like us are setting up projects in these locations. So both these projects are starting at 25-26 lakh rupees all inclusive. To top it up, you, for the Devanahalli project, which is very close to the international airport, you also have a 2080 payment plan. It's the launch of our new tower. We are pre-launching our new tower. The project name is Godrej Royal Woods, very close to the airport. A lot of IT development happening, and it's a no-brainer. Just 43.79 lakh rupees as a starting price. You only pay 20% now. Possession for this would typically be end of 2024. So you pay 20% now, 80% you pay at the time of the possession. And as you see here, this is only a limited to certain number of units, just 20 units only for NRI customers, that we have this opportunity. This is how the project would typically look. So the overall project is right on the main road. It's on the Bellary Road on the national highway. You cannot ask for any better location. That's where connectivity also becomes very good, because you can reach Hebal, main hub of North Bangalore, in about 30 minutes time, 25 to 30 minutes time from here. And at the same time, very good social infrastructure already existing there, and huge opportunity coming up. You have a national cricket academy set up, which will be set up by the Board of Cricket for Control in India in this location. You have a lot of IT companies coming up here. So it's exactly how Hebal was about 7 to 8 years back. Hebal in North Bangalore today is a very prime location. Rates are around 16 to 17,000 per square feet on the carpet area. That means 1,000 square feet apartments are costing 1.6, 1.7 CR. So here you're getting something in around 8-9,000 rupees per square feet, roughly almost half the price. It's a no-brainer from the price point. Project is fantastic, 80% open, 82% open green space here. Just pay 20% and relax for the next 4 years. You also have some unique opportunities here, which are studio apartments. 263 square feet carpet area, 26-27 lakhs. Just pay 20% now. Sorry, 80% you pay at the time of the possession after 3.5 to 4 years. Again, great opportunity, done very well with the NRIs. One of our best selling projects and our cash cows for us. So in Bangalore, again, 3 projects that I can recommend to you. One is our plotted development in southeast Bangalore, which is located at the near the Sarjapur Road and Sarjapur extension, called Godrej Woodland. Then you have Godrej Ananda, which is at Aerospace Park Apartments in North Bangalore. And then you have our Devanahalli project, which is just after the airport, the one we're speaking about now. A new tower launch with a fantastic 2080 payment plan, starting at just 43.79 lakhs. The unit sizes here are in fact also very usable sizes, and we've reduced the wastage of space. So 580, 590 roughly is the starting size for a 2 BHK apartment, which is the carpet area, the usable space. We can also share with you the sample flat video. You'll notice that 580, 590, we've made it feel like almost a 700 plus square feet carpet area. You reduce the unwanted space as well, and that's why the project has done very well. Good location, affordability, a fantastic payment plan, and great product with a lot of open green space in the project. We'll then lastly speak about the NCR market, and then if any one of you have any questions, we can address that as well. So the NCR market, typically, as you see over here, we are again present across the NCR market. This is New Delhi. That's where you have Gurgaon. A lot of projects of ours delivered in Gurgaon, wherever you see my cursor here. We recently launched something in Faridabad. That's a sold out project. South Delhi, we have a prime property located at Okhla, which is currently starting at roughly around 5 CR for a 2.5 BHK apartment. That's prime South Delhi. Then we have something located towards Noida, Greater Noida. We have one of the fantastic opportunities that you have right now across our portfolios, which is in sector 43, the one here which is in central Noida, right in the, for those of you who know Noida, it is right in the heart of the city, very well connected, just opposite Noida Golf Course. Noida Golf Course is a very prime location in Noida. So again, no supply in this location. You will not find any vacant land at all. Right in the heart of Noida, metro stations are just across the road. Fantastic connectivity. You see, Delhi is just about 10 to 15 minutes drive, main Delhi area, via the Delhi Noida direct road. It's just a 15 minutes drive from this particular project. Phase 1, when we launched just 3 to 4 months back, we created new records, and we actually sold out the project in just 1 day's time. So again, because of the superb location, very good social infrastructure around the project. The project has a very unique concept. We're coming up with a forest themed project. It's an 11-acre land parcel right on the main road. In NCR, typically where the air quality is not so good, we're coming up with a project with massive greenery. We've hired a Singapore-based architect who's designed the Singapore International Changi Airport. They are designing this project for us. So we've created an international standard design in a city center. So we've set up a benchmark over here in this particular micro market. Again, any of you looking just for investment, just for looking for something close to Delhi, 15 minutes travel time, and or looking at maybe moving in after 7 to 8 years time or 5 years time from now, because the project would take 4 years to complete. You have a great opportunity here, and more than the location and the product, the best part here is you can buy this project by just paying 20% now. You don't need to pay anything else. Pay 20% now, 80% you directly pay at the time of the possession. 4 years you just sit back and relax. And this again, I will again have to stress on the location, because it's really a fantastic location. You see the connectivity here, Gurgaon towards this belt, Delhi over here, and this is Noida. You're very, very well connected South to South Delhi, any other part of Delhi. This is a fantastic location. Another opportunity we have in Gurgaon, which you see here on this particular map, which is in South Gurgaon. That is on Sohna Road. Let me zoom in a bit for all of you. That is the Sohna Road over here. Sohna Road, just yesterday, our infrastructure minister, Nitin Gadkari, has actually announced that the work of the Delhi-Mumbai expressway, upcoming Delhi-Mumbai expressway, is going on in full scale. And another 1.5 years, it will be fully complete. That will be starting somewhere from here, from our project. That is one of the projects he has actually, which has been started by him, the Mumbai-Delhi expressway. And also, we also have an elevated road, or the elevated corridor, which has been started by him, which starts from Rajiv Chowk. Rajiv Chowk from our project typically is somewhere around 20 odd kilometers as of today from our project. But because of the elevated corridor, it's a freeway that's coming up, which would mean from a place like Rajiv Chowk or from Golf Course Extension Road, a very prime belt in Gurgaon, Once that is ready in just 1 year's time, you can actually reach our site in just about 15 minutes travel time. So you can imagine today, if you buy a property at Golf Course Extension Road, the price per square feet is at least 15,000 rupees on the carpet area per square feet. That means 1,000 square feet apartment is 1.5, 1.6 CR minimum. That's a prime belt. Many of you would know. Here you have something of that size starting at just about 85 lakh rupees. So again, massive opportunity. In the highway or the freeway rather, the elevated road already is 70% complete. It's not something we're talking about coming 10 years down the line. As we speak, in 1.5 years before our project would be fully ready. That is one. Second, the Delhi Mumbai expressway will be fully ready in about 3 years from now. 2024 to be ready. And most importantly, a lot of top companies have moved into this region of Sona over here, Sona Road, because prices are cheap, land banks are available. Amazon has set up a huge warehouse over here. A lot of Japanese companies have moved in, so a lot of influx of population. Again, great investment opportunity starting at just 87 lakh rupees, 87 to 88 lakh rupees for a 2 BHK apartment, 930 carpet area. 1100 to 1200 square feet is the size of a 3 BHK, which is only starting at 1.2 to 1.23 CR. And it's currently in a pre-launch. Again, limited time offers. These are all pre-launch prices. And most importantly, this is 18 acres. This project is 18 acres right on the main Sona Road over here. You only have 1,090 apartments. Very low density. Great opportunity for investors as well. Connectivity to Rajiv Chowk, just 15 minutes. Golf Course Extension Road, also very, very close by. So again, huge opportunity. Two key opportunities in the NCR market. One in Gurgaon, Godrej Nature Plus Sector 33 Sona. And you have the other opportunity, Sector 43 Godrej Woods, which is a new project in Central Noida. We'll just speak a bit more of the Sector 43 project, and then any of you who have questions, we'll be happy to answer them. So some key highlights here of the Sector 43 project. You have a 2080 payment plan only for NRIs, as you see here. Great project. Noida Golf Course is just across the road over here. All the offices are very close by. Starting at 1.19 CR for a 2 BHK, 740 is the carpet area. 3 BHK apartments are starting at 1,060 square feet. 1.71 starting plus is the pricing for a 3 BHK apartment with a 2080. 4 BHK is 1,600 square feet carpet area. That's a construction linked plan starting at 2.38 plus for a construction linked payment plan. So definitely it is, you will realize here that since it's a prime belt, the pricing obviously is a little bit on the higher side because it's a very good infrastructure already existing there. Connectivity is superb. Product is fantastic, class apart, Singapore based architect. Great opportunity for you here as well. So that brings us to the end of our presentation. I guess some of you may have some questions, so we will address that. So before we go into the questions, just to summarize, there are 4 key markets for us: Mumbai, Pune, NCR, and Bangalore. There are some great payment plans in Bangalore and the Delhi NCR market. Also in Pune, we have a 2080 payment scheme. Now coming into the questions. Yeah. So what is the Sector 43, as we discussed, is starting at 1.19 CR plus for a 2 BHK apartment of 740 to 750 square feet. This is the pre-launch price, which is only limited. In fact, as we speak, we are launching the project tomorrow, so it's a limited time pricing that we have. 3 BHK is 1.71 CR plus which is 1,060 square feet, and 4 BHK is 2.37 starting, which is around 1,600 square feet carpet area. 4 BHK doesn't have any 2080 payment plan. In Noida, so this is the upcoming project that we have in one of the best locations in Noida. Apart from this, we also have Sector 150. Sector 150 is more towards the Noida expressway side. It's a growing location located at the sports city. That place is called as the Sports City, where you actually have also a lot of very, very good infrastructure coming in. But again, the difference between that sector 150 and sector 43 is sector 43 is already well established. There's no new supply. Sector 150 is a growing location. Prices are a little cheaper there, a little bit lower because it's a growing location. But again, good opportunity there as well. Close to the Jewar airport, sector 150, new international airport coming in. So you have great connectivity to that new airport. When any new airport, international airport comes in a location, prices straight away shoot up. So that project would cost you around, starting with 3 BHK, around 1.4, 1.5 CR for a 3 BHK over there. Definitely lesser than sector 43. Again, it's a place where someone who's looking for a long-term investment or a self-use product, because of the connectivity to the airport and the other developments coming there, we'll see great returns there as well. So what we have projects across, but what we've highlighted in this presentation is mainly the pre-launch, all the pre-launch projects, typically where is a great opportunity for you. Yeah, so we've got a message from Swapnil as well. We will share the price sheet for Godrej Boulevard and Park Ridge with you. Park Ridge is the new phase, and Godrej Boulevard is already under construction. Park Ridge is the new launch, starting at 25 lakhs for a studio. Godrej Boulevard is also in the same location. We'll share the price sheet for both with you. So any one of you, what we will do is, after this presentation, since there are a lot of questions coming in, we will connect individually with each one of you, and we will understand from you what you probably liked from the presentation and the projects you wanted to know more about. We will have a one-on-one, we can have a one-on-one Zoom session with you to give you more detailed analysis. The idea here was just to give you an overview of the market and the projects we have, and then basis your interest, we can discuss more in detail, because all these opportunities that we have, we always have something special for NRIs, as we showed the payment plans over here. So great opportunity for NRIs, and having international offices across, we always ensure we give some benefits to the NRI customers. So you have a superb opportunity to go ahead and book your apartment or a plot of your choice before this month end, to avail the great discounts and pricing. Any other questions? Please do share it with us here. Otherwise, we are typically done for today. Thank you for attending this show, and thank you for patiently waiting through it and listening to us.
If no more questions, then thank you so much. I hope you have answered the question, like how come the property prices are rising in spite of so much depression due to COVID.
Right. So that's what we actually discussed in the beginning of the call. So there are three key reasons what has happened. The property prices typically are rising because the supply is reducing, because the smaller players have gone out. So consolidation has happened. Only good players are able to launch projects now. So supply has reduced, demand has increased because affordability has increased. Interest rates have gone down. Overall, you'll see that the interest rates have come down by typically half. And again, most importantly, people have realized the value of owning a home. People who said that no, I'll only stay in a rented apartment, it doesn't make sense to buy a home, now have realized that it makes more sense to actually own a home themselves. So overall, everyone wants to buy either one or two homes, as a safety angle, because they know it's a stable investment. Prices have never crashed. You will see in the real estate market, it's never crashed. If you pick up a good location, a good property, and Godrej is typically the answer to that. So we are outliers. We defy the market. If a property next to us is selling at 1 crore, and has no appreciation for the last 10 years, you will see our property is just adjacent to that is maybe appreciated by almost 40%. Because we obviously did that analysis before launching. The quality is fantastic. The design is superb. We understood what customers want. So we understand what the customer mindset is, rather than just acquiring a land and launching it. Like a typical builder, we understand what customers want and develop as per that, and hand over what we commit. It's not that you'll see with Godrej, we'll say one thing and then a few years down the line, when you get the possession, there's something else. So whatever we commit, we will deliver. And that's why you will see that all our projects are appreciated very well, irrespective COVID or no COVID, or it doesn't make honestly much of a difference to our properties around, because all the customers who have been with us for last many years keep buying again and again, because they know with us that they'll get the return, they'll get the quality, they'll get what they actually want, they'll get the payment plan and the pricing. So the real estate market is actually at a stage now where prices are already shooting up. Ready to move in properties in the last 1 to 2 years and nearing possession have started to increase by 7 to 8% per annum. So it's actually the right time to pick it up before it gets too late and before you see the prices, continuously increasing, because we've all seen in 2014, 13, that stage, how the prices drastically shot up. So it's a great opportunity now.
So, but has there been any decline in terms of the property prices due to COVID? And then maybe this is the time to just, like pick up again.
See,
So
there was
maybe
a
winter or something, no? For
yeah,
your
there was a slight stagnation because of COVID, definitely, because people didn't know what it was for the first few months. So there was stagnation because of the lockdown. But then again, everything revived, not only in India, across the globe, particularly the housing market. So, and again, the good players have all, the smaller guys have all gone out. So the larger players have consolidated the overall market. And now, since the last 1 to 1.5 years, we've seen across the cities, prices have continued to increase because even the government announced measures like stamp duty reductions, which helped boost the overall real estate market in India. So at the end of the day, a simple answer to that is a good product in a good location. Because price falling and appreciating and increasing is not only an overall perspective, it is more based on the micro market and the developer. Today, it's not like how earlier you would see that in one location in Bombay, maybe South Mumbai, overall prices have increased. Today, you will not see that. You'll see that it is more product based and location based. In the same location and product, as I said, next to product, you can maybe not see an appreciation because people don't want to go for that product. The quality is pathetic or the brand image is pathetic. There's no demand. So hence the price will not appreciate. But in a good brand, obviously, because of the strong demand and because, of the analysis and the research and all these big developers like us do, the demand is always higher. Because the demand is higher, we've always performed exceptionally well across markets. Only for 3 to 4 months max last year, there was a slight stagnation, but then it picked up drastically. Again, in that stagnation, we thought about something different. We came up with a really good opportunity for customers like a 1090 and a 2080 payment plan. When the market was down, developers are struggling with cash. We announced something new and we said we'll launch a 1090 and a 2080 plan. So customers who typically, didn't want to buy at that time because of liquidity issues, they only had to invest a certain percentage with us then and then pay the rest at possession. So that was again our best ever quarter because we came up with something very new and customers didn't have to, pay any additional down payment apart from the 10% or 20%. So we always do what customers want. That is the clear understanding as to why Godrej Property is an outlier today in the real estate market. And that's why we have the leadership position in India. So overall, for some time, in short, prices were stagnant, but now they've started to increase. All the reports you read that prices have continued to increase across, and that's why property demand is shooting up now.
Oh, thank you, Ron. And all said and done, Godrej Property is always a name to convey reliable name in India. And for people living abroad, that it makes it easier to make our buying decision without any risk, like the risk of having something fake or somebody cheating is minimized.
Absolutely.
I once again welcome you on board Incham as a corporate member, and then our member will definitely benefit with your services, and in turn you will be able to get some business through B2B solutions. Okay.
Thanks.
So thanks again, Ron. Have a wonderful day, and wish you good luck with your project.
Thanks. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Manoj and team, for joining us in today. Look forward to seeing you again. So I've just displayed my contact details here. Anyone who wants to connect with us can directly connect with us as well.